Is Ethereum really struggling to keep up? Shark Tank's Kevin O'Leary just dropped a bomb, claiming Ethereum is cracking under pressure as the network faces major congestion and sky-high gas fees. O'Leary says investors are getting frustrated, and unless developers step up with serious upgrades, Ethereum could lose its top spot in the smart contract game. So, is this the beginning of the end for Ethereum or just another bump in the road? Meanwhile, Cardano's creator Charles Hoskinson is firing back against fresh allegations that he diverted project funds for personal use. Hoskinson didn't mince words. He flat out called the rumors baseless and said every ADA transaction is fully transparent and traceable on the blockchain. He reminded everyone that Cardano is built on a foundation of accountability and says the project is all about community trust. If you've heard the rumors, Hoskinson's message is clear. There's nothing to see here, folks. And in a move nobody saw coming, the head of the SEC finally admitted what so many in crypto have been saying for years. The US totally missed the boat on the crypto boom. Now, the SEC promises they're going to catch up fast with new regulations and a proactive approach to digital assets. What does that mean for you? Expect big changes ahead for exchanges, tokens, and maybe even your favorite coins. The US government is officially paying attention, and that could shake up the entire market. Remember, this is not financial advice. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.